a NERF gun, a new NERF gun, and I already opened it, but only this part, I didn't look at it, but you can already look at it from here, so that's open. Let's take it out. So we got this part, and then we got some instructions. The bullets are in here, and then this thing. So you push it like out, and then you push it in. Hold on, let's try that again. So you can push it like that, and in here, and on the back part it has this. And I think this little thing locks it in place. That's what I'm thinking. I can't even get this in. Don't buy this. This is actually really hard. Yeah, I don't buy this at all. I'm gonna ask for help.